You must be asking yourself a question. We have a new year and the price is still accumulating for Bitcoin above the 15,000. When the price will reverse like happened before, as everybody knows, the price stayed there just for a few days and gravitated up when we visit the $4,000. You know why? Because the market maker bought there and the price reversed until the 70,000. Then the price entered a bearish trend for the whole market and we went from the almost 70,000 until now the 16,000. So we're going to discuss the price target and when Bitcoin will reverse, because Bitcoin is the mover of the market. Because if Bitcoin went up, all the altcoin will go up. The most important level for this year, for my opinion, to overcome is this blue line. We're going to discuss why is that in a moment. And of course, we're going to discuss Dogecoin, because it's still holding our ascending line, and of course Shiba Coin because it's broken our ascending line. And of course we're going to discuss Trust Wallet, the price action, because it's still pumping and still holding a current support above the $1. Let's start our video with Bitcoin. What's going on? You see here in the big picture, the price went parabolically up the moment that we bought back around the 4,000 bottom. It happened around 2019, I believe. Let me just check. In the beginning of 2020, then the price entered another pump after we cleared the 13,000 and we enter a huge bull run for this year. Then we did double top nearly around the 70,000. Then we enter bearish trend after we started trending down below this EMA. So now we still below this EMA and below this ascending line. Every time we test it, we have a huge rejection around the 2020 in April and this year and November. And again, before we end this year in the last month in December, we got another test and the price went down. Let me just go back very quick for Dogecoin and Shiba Coin. Then we discussed this blue line. As we said in the beginning of our video, we said Dogecoin have to hold above this ascending line. We did even chart analysis on our Patreon, on our Discord and TradingView community. If you're new here, press the like button and the notification so you never miss any of my future update, because we do daily updates on our channel. Last time we discussed this ascending line, we said this is the most important level for Dogecoin to hold it, because last time we held it, it was around June, then again around November. You know what happened here? Of course, we have news regarding Elon Musk. That's why the price parabolically went up 100%. Technically wise, we held above our ascending line and we accumulate where the price will go. Now we have to hold this ascending line for Dogecoin and breaking again the 10 cent, because the 10 cent will give us this confirmation for head and shoulders and reverse head and shoulders. For my opinion, this is the shoulder and this is the head and this is the other shoulder. It didn't form yet. That's why we have to wait until we break this level of resistance around this orange line, hold above it, then continue to go higher for another pump for Dogecoin. This time we might see even the 21 cent. Otherwise, if we broke this ascending line and go to the 5 cent support area and we don't hold it, it means the price will continue toward the 2 cent 88 around this area if we don't hold this ascending line. For Shiba Coin, as we said in the beginning of our video, below our ascending line. So this is a bit bearish signal for me. We have two tests for this AMA and two rejection, one around August and another one around October, and that's why the price got sold off in October and went down even below our ascending line. The one thing we have to watch out for Shiba Coin after this signal is continue to go down toward 5061 should be the next support for Shiba Coin. So we have to watch out for this level only if we still continue to trade below the 10. Okay, the 5010 or the 4010 is the most important level to give us a signal that Shiba Coin, either we have a squeeze if we broke it, and we have a continuation for the price down if we never break this level, because still our AMA act as a resistance, and once we gonna test the 10, we're gonna have another test and we might see a rejection, the same like happened here, a huge wick and a huge wick and the price go down, and here we might see another wick and the price to continue to go down. That's why we have to confirm if we have a break and hold above our MA to continue toward the squeeze area, the 401788 for my opinion for this year for Shiba coin. Let me just go back for Bitcoin because we have to discuss this blue line and what's the major important for it, and after that we're gonna discuss Trust Wallet, of course. As we said, the 18,000 is the most important level for Bitcoin to enter a bullish trend, the first signal for bullish trend for my opinion for Bitcoin. If we clear this descending channel, after we clear this level and hold above the 18,000 is mean game on for Bitcoin to enter the first bullish momentum for this year. And the second signal and the more confirmed that we're gonna see a new high for Bitcoin, maybe even the 100,000, is clearing the 29 or around the 30,000 and hold above this level of resistance and make it to support to continue to go to new high for Bitcoin. Because as you see here in the big picture, Bitcoin is still doing higher lows. Last time we visited the 4,000, 3,000 area, it was triple bottom between 2017 and 2020. After that, if we held above the 13,000, even if we got rejected, this is the other scenario. If we got rejected actually around the 18,000, never clear this ascending channel, bottom should be around the 13,000. You know why? Because even if we went down toward the 13,000 and we held it as a bottom, is good because we're still doing higher lows for the big picture. The last low that we said before is around the 4,000. This time, if we have the bottom around the 13,000, is mean the price will continue to have a huge bump until the 100,000. It's better than going toward the 7,000. If we don't have a huge wick like it happened here, to confirm this is the bottom. Otherwise, if the price doesn't have a reaction and we don't have a market maker buying, it means the price will continue to go down, closing below the 13,000. It means the price will continue toward the 7,000. In the big picture, we're gonna take months, of course. This is a huge dip. We're gonna have a consolidation area like what happened here. Right now we have a consolidation area. This is really normal. So now we have accumulation, consolidation. We need to test this blue line. As we said, this is the first signal for a squeeze, otherwise we continue to go down. If we held above it, it's mean continuation for Bitcoin, and of course for the whole markets we're gonna get a genuine buying pressure, not just fake out. For Trust Wallet or TWT Tether, finding support above the $1.24, and now we have a reversal. This is what we should see for Bitcoin, clearing this ascending line. You see it here, reversal for Trust Wallet, and we have now another ascending channel forming up. That's why we say we need to have this breakout for Bitcoin, because it is a signal for bullish trend. That's what happened for Trust Wallet. We have a bottom, then reversal, and new trend forming. So where the price will go for Trust Wallet, of course, the $1.83, this is what will confirm an interim bullish trend or continuation for bearish trend. Because if we go toward the $1.83 and get rejected, it means we're gonna go toward the $1. So we're not entering a bullish trend for Trust Wallet, because here this will confirm a bullish trend. Otherwise, we have a continuation in the big picture for a bearish trend after we got rejected and did double top around the $2.73 for Trust Wallet. So I will watch the $1.83 for possible entering a bullish trend for Trust Wallet, and might be the $3 mark for Trust Wallet. Otherwise, continuation for the price down. So this will be an opportunity to short here. Of course, there is a lot of strategy we can do: buying around the support, selling around the resistance, or selling around the resistance. A bit complicated for new trader, but this is how shorting actually work. Comment section below where the price will go for Bitcoin for this year, and of course for Dogecoin and Shiba Coin. Hopefully have a profitable green year. Plus the like button and the notification so you never miss any of my future update, and see you in the next video.